Good afternoon, traders. Welcome on board. By the end of this video, you will stop trying to predict the markets and you will understand the structure. Welcome to the bull trading short-term trading signals indicator. Now, I will start by explaining your indicator's anatomy. You will find that indicator plots in time boxes. These boxes will show you your exact entry, lot size, entry price, take profit price, and stop loss price. Indicator will plot brighter the two last setups. In addition, indicator plot historical setups for technical analysis and transparency. Non-repaint. I will start explaining, for example, this box. This setup was displayed Thursday 23 of July at 8:30 in the morning. If you're trading the pound US dollar and you're trading at a downtrend movement, you know that this level will represent resistance. And you will know exactly which will be your stop loss level, okay? And also, you will know exactly where it's logical to set a first take profit, okay? Many traders can aim more risk reward, but booking profits at 1 to 2 is the bare minimum. Now, what happens when the market simply does not follow our plan? If you're using the real interbank price delivery algorithm levels with the correct stop losses, you will know exactly when the market is more likely to flip. For example, this signal was resistance. After achieving 1-to-1 profit, market revert and hit our stop loss. After our stop loss breach, if we know the correct level, the same level that was resistance, that will become support. And therefore, you will know exactly where to set your longs. Market has memory, and these levels will give you, at some point in time, a very good setup. If you observe very carefully, same scenario happened here. This setup, this historical setup, was a stop loss, but also was a perfect entry. Observe here. Okay, now let's find the last setup. Here it was a little bit more complicated, because this was a very nice short level. However, the market hit the stop loss. After the stop loss was breached, we know that a coherent level to buy is this one. However, again, we had another stop loss. You can see here. After flipping and getting another stop loss, we are able to attack the market again using the same principle. However, we are minus 2R here. If I'm going to attempt a short, I must be sure that the following short respects the levels. Here we have two options. We have the option to follow the same trade geometry, or the indicator will display you a suggested stop with your suggested lot size and suggested take profit for this specific day volatility. However, because we are minus 2R, we are trying to pull from the market another R. Therefore, our trading geometry will be like this. Because if we are trading this setup, we fail 1, fail 2. If we are going for a third attempt, which is optional to you, you need to pull out from the market at least 3R. Now, I will explain to you these inputs. Your account size is set here. You set your individual risk. The break-even trigger. I recommend to set this trigger around 80%. Here you have your risk management advanced contract sizing. And just color and the proximity reminder alerts is a very cool feature. When the indicator is detecting that the price is near a potential historical level, indicator will send you an alert. And all these instructions that I just have explained to you, you will receive via email. So these are the basic principles of your indicator. And I would like to listen to your comments if you have more, if this sounds confusing, or if you have another question. I will be very happy to assist you personally. For your massive success, Gustavo Ruby. Bye-bye.